Assalamualaikum. I am Asmara Mushtaq from Army Public School and Colleges, Rahim Yar Khan, Kent. I welcome you in online support program. This is English lesson for class KG. Our textbook is Ready Steady Go and reader is Read With Me. Our textbook page is 19. Our practice book pages are 27 to 30 and Read With Me pages are 4 to 17. Our topic is letter S and seasons. Objectives for this class are students will be able to recognize letter S with its related vocabulary. They will be able to write letter S. They will be able to name 4 seasons and they will be able to comprehend and read the text of the reader. Read with me. So let's meet letter S. This is letter S. S. The sound of S is S. S says S. Now we will read the vocabulary of letter S. S snake, S snake, S strawberry, S strawberry, S scissors, S scissors, S socks, S socks, S sparrow, S sparrow, S snail, S snail, S slide, S slide, S saw, S saw, S skirt, S skirt, S seal, S seal, S six, S six, S sun, S sun, S seahorse, S seahorse, S sand, S sand, S scooter, S scooter, S snow, S snow, S soup, S soup, S star, S star, S soap, S soap, S sunflower, S sunflower, S spider, S spider, S spoon, S spoon, S sky, S snowman, S snowman, S scarf, S scarf, S spaceship, S spaceship, S stem, S stem. Now we have done the vocabulary of letter S. Now we are going to do the practice of writing letter S. Okay, for writing capital S, we will start from the top, from the first line, the red one. Okay, so we will start from the top and we will make a curve to the left and then we will go to the down and make a curve to the right, backward curve. Okay, for writing small s, we will start from the middle and again we will write same as it is for like capital S. Okay, we will start from the middle, make a curve, left curve, then we will go down and make a curve to the right and this is small s. Now you have done practice of writing letter S. Now we will discuss about the seasons. Okay, we have 4 seasons. The first spring, summer, fall or we can say autumn and winter. Okay, in the spring the new flower blossom. In the summer days are very hot and there is a burning sun. In the fall the yellow leaves fall from the trees and the new leaves grow. In the winter there is very cold. Okay, so we will discuss now summer. In the summer there is a burning sun that is very hot. Okay, the summer days are very hot. These are some of the things which we wear, some of the dresses which we wear in the summer. Okay, we wear shorts, t-shirts, hat, glasses, goggles. Okay, so we spend our summer time in these of things, like we drink very cold drinks, okay, and eat ice creams, and we enjoy on the beach, okay, and we can do fishing. So these are the summer time, how we spend summer time. Okay, now we will discuss winter. The winter is very cold. Winter days are very cold. Sometimes there is snow falling. Okay, so in the winter we have warm clothes to wear. Sometimes there is very clouds, and sometimes there is rain, or we drink like tea and very hot soup, okay, and we need something very warm, so we need this type of environment, okay. So we sit near the bonfire. Okay, now we will see some of our weathers. Sometimes there is sunny, okay, and sometimes it is raining, sometimes it is windy, and sometimes it is very cloudy. Okay, now we will read. Our reader, read with me. This is our reader. There are 3 characters: Tom, Kate and Sam. Page number 4, T-O-M, Tom. Page number 5, K-A-T-E, Kate. Page number 6, H-E-R-E, here, I-S is K-A-T-E, Kate. Here is Kate. Page number 7, H-E-R-E, here, I-S is T-O-M, Tom. Here is Tom. Page number 8, H-E-R-E, here, I-S is S-A-M, Sam. Here is Sam. S-A-M, Sam. I-S is a D-O-G, dog. Sam is a dog. Page number 9. Here are some pictures. Page number 10. H-E-R-E, here. I-S is K-A-T-E, Kate. A-N-D-N. H-E-R-E, here. I-S is S-A-M, Sam. Here is Kate and here is Sam. Page number 11, Sam has created mess. So they are saying N-O, no, N-O, no, no, no. Page number 12, T-O-M, Tom. I-S is I-N in. H-E-R-E, here. Tom is in here. A-N-D-N. S-A-M, Sam. I-S is I-N in. H-E-R-E, here. And Sam is in here. Page number 13. Sam is running after them and Sam has caught Tom. Page number 14. K-A-T-E, Kate. L-I-K-E-S, likes. T-H-E, the. D-O-G, dog. Kate likes the dog. A-N-D-N. T-O-M, Tom. L-I-K-E-S, likes. T-H-E, the. D-O-G, dog. And Tom likes the dog. Page number 15, there is a picture. On page number 16, there is a new page. S-A-M, Sam. L-I-K-E-S, likes. T-O-M, Tom. A-N-D-N. S-A-M, Sam. L-I-K-E-S, likes. K-A-T-E, Kate. Sam likes Tom and Sam likes Kate. Page number 17. Kate is saying N-O, no. S-A-M, Sam. N-O, no. No, Sam, no. Thanks for your cooperation.